This activity is the four-corner agility drill or game. What we've got is 4 different pieces of equipment. We've got a bowl, a jug, a box and a basket. Olivia will shout out one of the pieces of equipment, and the idea is that I've got to touch the piece of equipment and get back to the starting point as quick as I can. So here we go. Okay, Olivia.
Basket.
Basket.
Box.
Box.
Jug.
Jug.
Basket.
Basket.
Bowl.
Bowl.
Box.
Box.
Jug.
Jug.
Bowl.
Okay. If you want to make it a little bit more difficult, we can time for 30 seconds and see how many pieces of equipment we can touch. Or, if you want to have really good fun, we can put some items in the middle and we have to pick up the item, recover and place it in the box. It should look like this. We've got some socks to demonstrate this activity with. Here we go. Are you ready, Olivia?
Basket.
Basket.
Bowl.
Bowl.
Box.
Box.
Jug.
Jug.
Bowl.
Bowl.
Box.
Box.
Basket.
Basket.
Jug.
And jug. Yes. Well done. It's a really good activity for parents. It helps sort out those socks, sort out those clothes. Have fun, make the area bigger, smaller, and enjoy the activity.